Thank you very much for signing up after seeing my ad on Facebook or YouTube. You are at the right place, my friend. You are here to learn neuro-linguistic programming and become a certified practitioner so that you can help others, help yourself, and even make money by helping others. So my friend, this is a 28-day WhatsApp workshop. 28 WhatsApp workshop, video workshop, where you learn by doing it, very little bit of theory, more practice. I have helped thousands of people attain their goal, achieve their goal, and get more benefit from their programming their subconscious mind to achieve what they want in their life. I work with the top level sportsmen, I work with the CEOs, and I help every day. I help people in my office where I'm sitting right now, on Zoom or one-on-one, using neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, to come out of their fear, phobias and everything. So you're at the right place. It's a 28-day WhatsApp workshop. You're really interested in joining that workshop, click on the link below and join our WhatsApp community, where I will be sharing you all the details of the workshop, the date, timing and fee. Fee will be very nominal fee. Okay, so click on the link below, join now, and we'll share you complete detail. Thank you very much.